Morning all. How are you? First of all, I will welcome all of you to civil engineering department. Okay, and in this civil engineering, in the second year civil, we are having different types of subjects. Okay, in that one of the subject is fluid mechanics one. Okay, now let us start with the introduction today. What is fluid mechanics? Okay, means fluid mechanics is it is a science which deals with forces on fluid at rest as well as in motion. Means for suppose see here I am having small jar. Okay, to this continuous I am connecting one more jar. Okay, means here what is here happening, how much water here it is there, it should pass from this jar to this jar, it should pass from this jar to this jar through this pipe. Okay, means here whenever water is going means what, some force is required. Am I correct or not? Means here fluid mechanics is it deals with force, whether you can say force or pressure you can say. Okay, and the movement means if due to this pressure what is happening, water is passing from this pipe to, sorry, this tank to this tank, this tank to this tank. Okay, means in this process some pressure is there, some movement is there. If you are considering both or if you are dealing with both, then we can say it as fluid mechanics. Understood? Now in fluid mechanics we are having three types. Okay, first of all we have to know, one is fluid statics, another one is fluid kinematics, another one is fluid dynamics. Just now I said, for suppose here once again I am drawing here, there is a pipe and here water it is there. Means here fluid statics means if fluid is at rest, if fluid is at rest means what, no movement. Rest means what, no movement. It means whatever fluid it is there, if it is not having any movement, or if it is not having any means if movement is not there means what, there is no pressure. Means in this case we can say it as fluid statistics. Okay, now coming to fluid kinematics. If fluids are in motion, okay, if fluid are in motion, motion means what, something movement we can say, motion means something movement. Okay, to this pipe you can say, if you are considering motion, then it is called fluid kinematics. Means here means what, here you should not consider pressure, we have to consider only movement here. If you are considering only movement, then it is called fluid kinematics. If you are considering both motion, pressure, then it is called fluid dynamics. Understood? Means both combination you can say, uh, fluid will have some motion, means some movement will be there, and if obviously we have to consider pressure also here. If you are considering both, then we can say it as fluid dynamics. Okay, hope you have understood. Now next slide. Now first of all I want to know how many of you know what is fluid. Okay, just we can say fluid is nothing but some liquid you will say. Okay, some people will say gas. Okay, like that. You may have doubt, sir, gas how will be the liquid? Just now I will say for you, if you are sitting in a room, in that room there is no fan or there is no air conditioner like this. If no air conditioner and no fan is there means what, immediately we will have some sweat matlab pasina. Okay, if your some sweat is coming, from where it is coming, it is coming from our body, it is coming from our body. Means before also there is some liquid at outside. Due to this without air, means whenever temperature is increasing, what is happening here, some liquid is starting. Means here gas also, how it will be there I will say for you. Just we will listen one thing. Next we will listen in our childhood also. Water got evaporate. Water got evaporate. Evaporation means what here? Okay, it is mixing in air. It is mixing in air. Means take the gas, some content of gas, like you can say 100 gram or 200 gram, whatever it is there. Okay, keep in one jar and close that jar uh, tightly. Means no air should go in that jar. Okay, it should be tight. After 1 day or 2 days, open that one. The gas will be in state of liquid. How will be there? The gas will be in state of liquid. Okay, so liquid gas both are the family from fluids. They both are from the family of fluids. Okay, now here I have given some matter. Here it is there. Matter means fluid only, no need of tension for this one. Exists in two states, solid state and fluid state. Whatever it is there, we will have two options. One is solid state, one is fluid state. Okay, what is solid? I will say you are having pen, take the cap. Okay, if you see that cap, okay, how it will be there? It is somehow like plastic caps will be there. You can see if you see our 3 rupees pen, it will be some plastic. Okay, if you see how plastic it is there, it is in solid. Take that plastic and increase the temperature, whether it is 100 degrees or 110 degrees or 200 degrees. Whenever if we are increasing the temperature, means what will happen here? It will coming into the liquid state. It will come into the liquid state. That's why here we will say solid state and fluid state. Both are fluid mechanics only. Okay, this classification of matter is based on spacing between different molecules of matter as well as behavior of matter when subjected to the stress. Means what will happen? I will say here for you. Just for suppose liquid it is there. Okay, here I am having one water bottle. In this water bottle, up to here, means up to this level, I am having water. Up to this level, I am having water bottle. Now if you see the diameter of this one, if you see the diameter of this one, it is like, okay, the length from here to here, it is 1 meter. The length from here to here, it is 1 meter. Now I will take one more bottle or one more jar, you can say, or one more collection tank, you will say. That one is up to 1.5 meter. Either 1.5 meter. Okay, lay about 1.5 meter. Now one more water bottle I will take. This is the level, you can say. Okay, this is up to here water, it is there for 1 meter. Now I am taking 0.5 meter. Now I am taking 0.5 meter. Means what here? What will happen here? Water won't come up to here. Same height of bottle, but water will come some more height up to here, may you can say. Means what is happening here? The gap is filling. Okay, okay, you can say here 1.5 meter heat is there. How water will be there? It will spread. It will spread. Means what? For suppose if the water is spreading, then we can say that one as fluid state. If it is getting compressible, or you can say if it is getting compressible, then we can say that one as solid also, you can say. Then we can say that one as solid also. In next slide I am having one small example. I have taken one small animal. I will show that one. Okay, because molecules in solid state are spaced very closely. Okay, let's go for that example. See in this image, here I am having some liquid, fluid liquid, you can say. Here fluid, how it is there? First of all, tank is up to here only. First of all, tank is up to here only. So water is spreading in this way. And in second diagram, what is happening? I have removed this line. I have removed this line. Means I have opened this gate. Immediately what will happen? The water is passing, trying to pass from here to here also. Okay, and if you see in this image, third image, after some time, means if it is only 2 minutes, you can say, and if it is after 3 minutes. Okay, after first minute, after first minute, what I have done, I have opened this gate. In second minute, only water is starting passing. And in third one, if you see, water has spreaded here. Here some content of water it is there. 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 Here some content of water is there.